This is my Tesla Model Y, and yesterday we camped here.
Camp in our Tesla, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And you got what? One more night to go, right?
Yeah. One more night to go. And I sleep with my dad.
Yeah. And what's your first experience in the Tesla Model Y?
It feels nice.
Nice. Is it comfortable?
Yeah.
You sleep good? Yeah?
Kind of.
Kind of? Yeah. Do you like it? Do you like sleeping there? Right?
Yes.
You could play your games and stuff, huh? Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna do another video tomorrow, and let's see what is your experience on the Tesla Model Y that we are just camping the first time in our driveway, the garage driveway, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, and that's it, right? Okay. You want to say anything? No?
No.
Okay. We'll see you next video.
We are camping inside our Tesla, and this is our first time camping inside our Model Y.
Yep, we are in our driveway camping in our Tesla Model Y, and here's the camp mode for in our Model Y. They have camp mode. And here goes my son, Aiden.
Hello.
And here's me. And do you like camping on the Tesla Model Y? It's a lot of room, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna do another video and let you answer questions tomorrow. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Hey, good night.
Good night.
Hi. Good morning, Mommy.
Good morning, Mommy.
We have a good night's sleep in the car, huh? In camp mode, right? Yeah, good night's sleep, Aiden?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm just still sleepy.
Still sleepy? Ooh, bless you.
Yeah.
Pretty warm. You're still sleepy? Okay, then you'll go back to bed for a little bit and we get up and we go back. Okay? Okay. Okay, Aiden, do you like camping in the Tesla Model Y?
Yes.
Yes. And is it comfortable sleeping in the Tesla Model Y?
Yes.
Okay, so what do you like to do? I mean, what do you like to do in the Tesla Model Y when you're camping? And you got any questions?
You can, if you go camping on Model Y,
Yeah.
you could get a bed and then sleep.
Yeah.
Because there's no way you can only do anything. You just only have to just get a bed.
Yeah, and you can play your games, right? And you can watch YouTube in the Tesla Model Y, right? And you could watch like Netflix if we have it next time, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then after that, just go out and outside and cook and eat and sleep, right? And in the car, is it nice and warm or it's cold?
Nice and warm.
Nice and warm, huh? And then you just sit on camp mode, huh? And then nice and warm, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we only did it in our garage, right?
Yeah.
And next time we're gonna go out to real camping, maybe, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So. Okay. And that's it. And maybe next time we could do a video more about camping.
Yeah.
So you
If you like this video, put a thumbs up and push the subscribe button. Thank you. Bye. Wait. If you buy a Tesla, use my dad's referral code, and you can get 1,000 free Supercharging.